Let's set up your ShoWork account exactly the way you like it. Open Settings from your name in the top corner of any screen. Right at the top is your profile. Your name and email address are shown here so you can confirm at a glance that everything is correct. ShoWork speaks your language. Switch the entire app between English and Spanish with a single tap anytime you want, and it remembers your choice. Set your notification preferences here so that you only get alerted about the updates that actually matter to you and nothing more. Open the security page to protect your account. Start by setting a strong password that only you know and that no one could easily guess. Turn on two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. It only takes a minute to set up and it keeps your account locked down tight. You can also see every device that is currently signed into your account and sign all of them out at once if you ever need to. Finally, your activity log records every sign-in and every inspection. That is full transparency, so you always know exactly what happened and when.